Bread of Heaven is one of my favourite Welsh hymns of all time. The power it brings, amazing.
I love singing Bread of Heaven because it really makes me feel connected to my Welsh heritage. It's just really lovely every time we sing it in front of people.
Mae'n ddehongliad modern o gân sydd yn gyfarwydd iawn i ni gyd.
My favourite bit about Bread of Heaven is when we sing the line Songs of Praises. Songs of Praises is actually my favourite show on BBC One. I love watching it with my gran.
Well, it always takes me back to the Millennium Stadium when we sung it there for the first time.
Dwi'n caru'r ffaith bod ne cant sydd yn dechrau efo Amen a hefyd yn gorffen efo hi.
I love singing Bread of Heaven because it's one of the most famous Welsh hymns, and we are singing it with a brand new arrangement that is fresh, different, modern, and I love singing the Amens at the end.
I love the two Amens at the end as they're in memory of two very special people in the choir. I just love singing those two Amens. It's fantastic.